Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out. 2025 Airstream International 25 FB Twin. And the twin bed is such a nice setup, in my opinion. And I'll show you when we get inside, get out of this noise. I'll open that just a second. The wind is catching the door. There we go. So with the twin bed, if you're tall, you get extra length that you don't get with a queen. So it makes a big difference. Plus there's a lot more room to move around. So we have a microwave oven. We also have the 3-burner cooktop and the exhaust fan, as well as a very nice LED light. Here's your dining area. That drops down for additional sleeping. Then you have this long couch. We have storage below, which is nice. Flat screen TV, refrigerator, freezer. We have the pull-out rack, as well as additional storage above. And then we have additional storage across the hallway. And it also has the clothing rod. Let me show you the shower, and then I'll show you the bathroom. And then we'll show you the twin bed setup. You'll kind of see the twin bed as I swing my way around here. So the 25 FB International Twin, and I've shot several on the other models, all in the 25-foot length, so you can compare those. But let me just back up and show you. So you have all this leg room here moving around. With a queen bed, it sits so much tighter, and you really have to kind of move around slowly. With the twin bed setup, and then let me remove the pillow here. The length, I think it's an extra 5 inches that you get. It might be an extra 7 inches that you get with the twin bed setup. So you get this entire length, and it's a game changer if you're tall. I'm 6'3", and it is quite a bit of difference on the inside. So again, the 2025 International 25 FB Twin here at Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Go ahead and check them out online, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.